Is limited space a barrier to your company's upgrade? Within a confined footprint, we redefine productivity through intelligent layout design. Advancing from semi-auto to fully automated, the system operates in a seamless, high-speed rhythm, from bag picking and feeding to filling. Fully integrated sewing and batch coding ensure an uninterrupted workflow. The O-shaped layout is a masterpiece of spatial planning, allowing products to pivot within a minimal turning radius. Integrated metal detection maintains rigorous quality control in every split second. More importantly, we ensure seamless integration with your existing equipment. Products flow steadily to the original palletizing system, maximizing efficiency with minimal modification. We create maximum yield within your limited space. Your expert in automation upgrades, CTI.